In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping rates by weight in Shopify. We'll build weight-based shipping right inside your Shopify admin so customers see the correct rate at checkout based on how heavy their order is. Start by opening your Shopify admin, then head to Settings at the bottom left. From there, choose Shipping and Delivery. In the Shipping section, open your General Shipping Rates. This takes you into your main shipping profile, where your zones and rates live. Next, expand the shipping zone you want to edit, such as your domestic zone, so you can see the existing rates. Click Add Rate. In the dialog, choose Use Flat Rate, then select the Custom option to set up your own rate. Give the rate a clear name customers will recognize, like Standard Shipping. You can add an estimated delivery time and a short description if you want to set expectations at checkout. Enter the base price for this shipping option. Now let's make it weight-based. Click. Add conditional pricing and choose based on item weight. Enter the minimum and maximum weight for your first tier. Then set the price that applies to orders in that weight range. Click Done to save that condition. If you want this single rate to have multiple weight tiers, you can add more conditions to the same rate later. Just make sure the ranges don't overlap and that the units match your store's weight unit. To offer a separate option for a different weight range or service level, click Add Rate again. Select Use Flat Rate and the Custom option. Name this second rate something descriptive, like heavy items or express. Add an estimated delivery time and optional description, and set its base price. Click Add Conditional Pricing, choose based on item weight, and enter the appropriate minimum and maximum weight for this second tier, along with the price. Click Done. Review both rates to confirm each weight range is covered exactly once. If you're using kilograms or pounds, make sure your product weights in the product editor use the same unit you've set for the store, so the conditions work as expected. Clear names and delivery estimates help reduce cart abandonment, so take a moment to make them customer-friendly. When everything looks good, save your changes. That's it. Your store now offers shipping rates that adjust automatically based on item weight. As a best practice, preview a checkout with test products of different weights to confirm the right rates appear for each scenario. If something looks off, revisit